In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add day of week to dates in TradingView charts. This quick tweak makes your x-axis labels far more informative by showing the weekday alongside the date, which is especially helpful for spotting patterns around Mondays, Fridays, or specific sessions. Let's walk through it together in a clear, simple way. Start by right-clicking anywhere on your chart area and choose Settings. Aim for a blank portion of the chart so you don't trigger a drawing or indicator menu by accident. When the settings window opens, you'll see several tabs on the left. This is where TradingView keeps all the controls for how your chart looks and behaves, from colors to scales to trading tools. We'll only need one of those tabs today. Next, select the Scales and Lines tab. Depending on your version or theme, it may appear as Scales and Lines or something very close to that. This section controls the look and content of your chart's axes, including what appears on the time scale along the bottom. It's the right place to manage labels, spacing, and how much detail is shown without crowding your chart. Within this tab, find the time scale section. Look for the option labeled Day of Week on Labels. It's a simple checkbox. Turn it on. What this does is add the weekday, like mon, tu, wed, beside the date on your x-axis. It's a small change with a big impact. You'll be able to anchor your analysis to specific days instantly, which is great when reviewing recurring behavior around economic releases, weekly opens, or end-of-week moves. Now, click OK to apply the change and close the window. Take a look at the bottom of your chart. You should see the day of the week appearing next to the dates. If you're on a very compressed view or a super short time frame with limited space, the platform may selectively hide some labels to keep things readable. Try zooming slightly or panning if you want to see more labels appear. And remember, this setting is part of your chart layout, so it will typically be saved automatically. That's all there is to it. Right-click the chart and open Settings, head to Scales, and besides, enable Day of Week on Labels in the Timescale section and click OK. If you ever want to turn it off, just revisit the same checkbox and uncheck it. With weekdays visible, you'll gain quick context at a glance, helping you make cleaner, faster decisions as you analyze your charts.